Wow, this is amazing. Oh yeah, we can move.
onye ọbụla hụrụ ozi a tụsara m ya ka anyị mara ma ị ga-enwetara nwanne anyị nwoke a ndị enyemaka bụ ndị ga-eme ka ọ marịcha akara aka ya wee chakee. Ndewo gị onye ọma na-ege ntị ma na-ekiri ekiri, ebe nọ ugbu a bụ na sim.si ha asịrị FM. Onye gị na ya nọkwa taa bụ 042 Solex, onye akụkọ ụwa. Ngwagere akụkọ nke anyị ji wee bịa taa. Otu nwa okorobịa bụ nwa afọ Igbo anọrọla n'ama nna ya wee rụọ ụgbọala bụ nke na-ama G-Wágon nke ndị Mercedes aka. Nke a mere n'obodo Enugu Ezike nke nọ n'ime steeti Enugu, dịka anyị hụrụ n'ihe onyonyo ebe a na-elele ya bụ ụgbọala ma na-ajụ ya bụ nwa okorobịa etu ya na ya bụ ọrụ si wee jee. Onye chọpụtara ya bụ nwa okorobịa bụ Maazị Eze Sunday Ọdịnaka, bụ onye na-eme ihe ejije ịkpa ọchị ma bụrụkwa onye nke eji mamụka wee mara. Dị ka ọ na-agba ya bụ nwa okorobịa ajụjụ ọnụ, ọ jụrụ ya sị ya, kedu ọrụ ị na-arụbu ma kedu etu isi wee nwee amamihe iji wee rụpụta ihe dị etu a? Bụ nke ya bụ nwa okorobịa zara ya sị na onweghị ihe ọ na-arụbu, na ọ ka gụchapụrụ akwụkwọ sekọndịrị n'afọ gara aga bụ afọ 2022 bụ afọ 2022 ma bido ịrụ ya bụ ọrụ nka na ụzụ. A sịla na Solex sị kama lere onyonyo ya.
So my attention was called, and I said I have to come. I come witness it myself. This is a car built by this little brother. Can we know your name?
Yes.
What's your name?
It's a good day.
From where?
From here, Ikpamodu, Enugu Ezike.
In Enugu State.
Yes.
Okay, this is my little brother. How old are you?
I'm 19 years old.
Just imagine.
Yes.
Just imagine. 19 years old boy built a car, a G-Wágon look alike car, because this is not G-Wágon. This is his own brand. So this little boy now, 19 years, built this thing. Did you do it alone?
Yes. I did it alone.
Alone?
Yes. I do everything alone.
The wedding work, you did it alone?
Yes. Even the
electrical work?
yes.
The seat, the upholstery?
Yes.
The mechanical work?
Yes.
You did everything alone?
Yes.
This is wonderful. Please, anywhere you see this video, share it. And don't forget to tag car companies like Mercedes, even our own Innocent. Tag Innocent Company, because this boy, I think we have to do everything possible for the world to recognize him and see him. But this is wonderful. Let me even know your education background. Is it secondary school you stopped, or you went to?
I just finished my S3 this year.
Are you serious?
Yes.
But what do you do actually? Are you a welder?
No, I never learned anything before.
Wait, you are not a welder?
Yes. Just this year I finished my secondary school.
And you're not a mechanic, you're not an electrician?
I never started anything.
And this is wonderful. This is wonderful. Okay, I think, come, how can I open this door now?
No, I don't want to open it.
The shocking part of the whole thing is that it's not just a body, the car is moving. So I think what he just needs is the support. So please, anywhere you see this video, share this video and tag car companies. Wow. Wow. Okay, can we see the bonnet?
Yes.
This is wonderful. Please, anywhere you see this video, help us and share. Let's help this boy. He needs it and he deserves it.
And I still have problem. You see the bonnet. I never have big engine because I never gave big money to buy the car engine. This car is too strong, it's too heavy to this engine to carry. But I just say may I use this one to manage this body is too heavy to this engine to carry. I can construct this place to put a car engine, bigger engine. We go move this car very fast.
Tank for now.
I never put fuel tank. I just use this one to drive.
Yes.
Okay,
yes.
This is the fuel.
I never put I think construct a big engine. We go move this because this is all in body now iron, strong iron. And this is too heavy. It's too heavy.
So how long did it take you to achieve this?
It took me 3 years, but I know just come and start this one immediately. No, I do first one. That one I keke three tire. I do am. I no get money to put that one engine. I do am for to use hand to the push am. If they do am like bicycle, you go to drive. And all of a sudden that the heavy, the roofing is too much. You know if you use hand from here to you don't tire.
Okay, that one was manual.
But I use that one I use wood and this leather, white leather to do that one. That one no give me joy. I can't leave her. It can't spoil because now wood. I start another one. Another one at Lexus. Now I started Lexus. The Lexus I use a lighting. Even the pipe why they use to do now light. I can't say this one no go last. I can't stop that one again. That one for Kimio because I can't ask myself how waiting make me why I can't they do all this.
So what are the challenges you encounter doing this thing? What was difficult for you to achieve? Is it the gear aspect of it? Is it the tire, or is it the body? What was the most challenging thing when you were building this thing?
The most challenging is to set the styling. Styling suffer me well. Okay. I do the first one, that one no work. I can't do another one, it no work. I say how I go fit do this, and I know if I don't fit ask anybody. I don't know what I go ask her. I go ask her how come. No. I don't fit ask her. I can't dey try. Anything where they don't know fit make I do am. That one go suffer me because I don't know who I go ask.
I can't just imagine you coming up with this without somebody helping you, doing the welding work, the electrical work, the mechanical work. I think the world needs to see you. This is raw talent. This is inspirational. This is a blessing from above. So please, ndị Igbo niile, ebe ọ bụla ị nọ, ifu video, this is our own brother from Enugu Ezike. Enugu Ezike is a community in Enugu State. Igbeze North is the local government. Please, this is our brother. His own community is called Ikpamodo. Please, anywhere you see this video, only Igbo, if for video, biko share and tag car companies. You can just write Innocent Motors. It will appear. You select so that the companies will see him and know how to help him. This is from scratch. He built this thing from scratch. Nobody helped him. And he said, by profession, he's not a mechanic. He's not an electrician. He's not a welder. This is just pure and raw talent. Please, we need to push this boy to the highest level. Please, the right people need to see him. Okay, camera, come. You can see the interior. Video the interior. Wow. Can you just imagine? Can you imagine? How did this boy do this? What about this light? Is it functioning?
Yes.
Okay, let me see. The only help I need from my fans and everybody that will see this video is to share and tag companies that will help this boy. And Nigerian government, please, we need your assistance. We need your help. So when you were doing this thing, what did your dad or your mom say about, like, what were they saying?
When I want to start this thing, I gotta say, even if na car that is my problem, let him sell all in land to buy the new car for me. And I say, if I don't know how car spirit when enter me, I tell him, say immediately. I tell him, if you buy any time, even if na any highest car, I no go put my feet into the car until my car park.
The one where you build yourself.
Park that is free to buy any car.
I know their own car that is parked.
Yeah, don't park. Some see me as a stupid person, because if you see the time why they do the skeleton, you too go cry because you no go know exactly what I'm doing. But me, I don't see them for my head exactly what I'm doing, and then I don't allow my mother, my father, any of my relation to come near the place where they work. Because if you see am, you go discourage me. The skeleton no good at all, no good. See am, some say this thing wey they do like this, if for do am, if you do keke, we go dey carry iron, we go dey that one no go suffer you. I say I no go hear anybody. I don see am for my head where I go reach. Now wetin suffer me well na money. Because sometimes I go far place like Ubolo, Osuka. I know wetin I go there, go buy. If I go there because of money, I go buy one spanner or one boat. Come back where everything why I feel bad day. But money disturb me for this my work well. I'm begging everybody to share this video to get to the right people who will help me. If I need for me now, I get a big idea to do more. This one is just the first one. My beginning is just this one. This one be like this one a bicycle for me. But I get big idea, but I just need help. I need your help.
The financial
help.
Okay, so I'm attaching your account number to the video. Just anything you can give to support him. is very, very vital and very, very important. As you can see, he said this is just the starting point. This is the first idea.
Yes.
And he said he has more. So anything you can give to support by sharing the video or by sending him money. I'm attaching the account number to the video. So you send him the money direct, or anyhow you can help him. This is the dad, this is the mom.
Yes.
And Papa, what is your name?
My name is Uchenwezeke Momo Gaddafi Obumneme Nekpamodo.
Papa, your name long. Mama, what is your name?
My name is Eze Blessing Chigozie.
Wow. Papa, what do you do for a living?
I do at the clapping Patrick the Pawan. I do Pawan.
Okay, you're a palm wine tapper. So, Papa, what do you want people to do for your son?
Okay.
Just use your mouth and tell them.
Okay. So I thank God to bless you people. I'm happy to you people to ask me all those things. You know, I don't go school too much like that, but I beg God to say, may God give my son sense. But God hear my voice to give them sense. I thank God. Make I praise God for me. Make I not say too much talk like that. I thank all you people.
It's all right. It's all right. So, as you can see, he's not even from a rich home. The dad is a palm wine tapper and mom is a local trader. So please, people, help this family. By helping the boy, you are helping the family already. And for somebody to come up with something like this, we have to help. Everybody must have to do something to support. If you cannot give him money, share the video. If you cannot even, just tag companies, tag anybody that you feel can come in. Tag Obi Kubana, tag E-Money, tag these big people in Nigeria. Tag them. Tag even not just the Igbos. You can tag Otedola. You can tag anybody you feel like he has what it takes to help this boy. Please tag the person. Let this video go viral and let's see how we can take this boy's dream to a bigger level. Can you give me a ride?
Yes.
The carry person.
Yes.
Oh, you can't carry me now.
Okay.
So I'm taking my first ride with the latest car, 2023 model.
Yeah.
Wow, this is amazing. Oh yeah, we can move. Can you reverse? Yes. You can reverse. Yes. Wow. This is wow. Oh, the horn.
Yeah.
This is wow. So I would want people to talk to you direct. You know, some people want to call you.
Yeah.
Can you call your private line?
Yes.
Your personal phone number?
Yes.
Okay.
080-59-17-59-72. Yes.
What about the account? Do you have account number?
No, I never have account number.
Okay, you're still
Yeah, but I'm still using my brother's phone.
okay. Which is this?
Yes. The name is Austin Tochukwu Eze. The account number is 1382558985. It's Access Bank.
Access Bank.
Yes.
So you can send money to him directly through his brother's accounts details. Please, all I seek is for you to just share the video so that this particular thing will not just go like this. The world needs to see this. And again, if you want to come and see the car for yourself, the address is Ikpamodo, Enugu, Ezike, in Igbo local government area of Enugu State. You can come and see the car for yourself. You can call the number that he just gave us now. He will direct you. You can come and see it. Thank you.
Ọkụ ịhụla ya bụ ihe onyonyo ya mere ọ gaji anyị nọ ezigbo mma ma ọ bụrụ na ị ga-enyere ya aka tụsa ya bụ ihe onyonyo ka anyị mara ma o nwere etu enyemaka ga-esi abịara ya bụ nwanne anyị nwoke n'ihi na ihe ọ rụrụ adịghị mfe. Cheta na asị na-ekele onye akịdị na ka ọ gwọrọ agwọ ike wee dị ya egwu ọzọ. Dalụkwa gị onye na-eso eburu anyị esonye ekelekwa gị ọ na-asị gị jide ka iji ekpere mbụ na Chineke nna ga na-anọnyere gị na-etinyere gị aka n'ihe niile nke ị na-eme. Gị taa bụkwanụ mbụ ị na-ahụ ihe onyonyo anyị asị gị nnọọ onye gị n'aka nọkwa bụ 042 Solex onye akụkọ ụwa n'iru akwụkwọ efere mba ụwa. Ya mere ọ bụrụ na aka mmere dị gị mma n'obi nwanne biko ọ bụ na Facebook na Instagram ka ị na-ahụ ihe onyonyo pịara m follow ọ bụ na YouTube ka ị na-ekiri ya bụ ihe onyonyo pịara m subscribe ya na mgbịrịgba ya n'akụkụ ka ị nwee ike na-enweta ihe onyonyo ndị ọzọ nga na-ewetara gị n'ọdịnihu. Ọ bụ na Twitter ka ị na-ahụ ihe onyonyo pịara m follow, ọ bụ na TikTok itikere m ya ma tọkụma. Igbo ndị nwe m, Igbo mụrụ nze mụ ọzọ, ekelekwa m unu wena asị na ọ ga na-adịrị unu niile mma. Ise ngwanụ na-atụsara m ihe onyonyo a na-atụsara m ya bụ ihe onyonyo na-apịrị m aka na share button ya mara gị mma ozugbo. Ndị nke m, udo dịrị unu.